have you ever felt lost during Black Friday shopping?
Do you want to speak English confidently when you shop on the biggest sale day of the year?
Today, we will help you sound natural, confident, and smart when you shop on Black Friday.
No more confusion, no more stress, and no more simple mistakes.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Channel.
Today, we are teaching you easy English for Black Friday shopping.
You will learn useful phrases, easy questions, and real shopping conversations.
And a small favor, please like this video and subscribe to Miss English Channel.
It really helps our channel grow and helps more learners like you. We will teach 5 simple lessons. Lesson 1, asking for price.
A very important phrase is, how much is this?
You can also say, what is the price of this? Example 1, how much is this jacket?
Example 2, what is the price of these shoes?
Dialogue. Emily, how much is this blue jacket?
It is $40 today because of Black Friday.
Wow, that is a big discount.
Yes, the price is usually $80.
What is the price of this backpack?
The backpack is $25 today.
That is a good deal. Lesson 2, asking for size. When shopping for clothes, you can say, do you have this in medium?
Or you can say, I need a larger size.
Example 1, do you have this shirt in large?
Example 2, I need a smaller size.
Dialogue. Emily, I like this jacket, but I need a medium size.
Let me check. Yes, we have medium.
Great. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
This size fits well.
Good, medium is perfect for you.
Lesson 3, asking for discounts. Black Friday is all about discounts.
You can ask, is there any discount on this?
Example 1, is this on sale today?
Example 2, do I get any Black Friday discount?
Dialogue. Emily, is this laptop on sale today?
Yes, it has a huge discount of $100.
That is amazing.
Many electronics have big discounts on Black Friday.
Do I get any extra discount if I buy 2 items?
Yes, you get 10% more off.
Lesson 4, paying at the counter. When you finish shopping, you can say, I would like to pay.
You can also say, can I pay by card?
Example 1, I want to pay with cash.
Example 2, can you give me the bill?
Dialogue. Emily, I would like to pay for these shoes.
Sure, you can pay here.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card and cash both are okay.
Please give me the bill.
Here is your bill. Thank you for shopping.
Lesson 5, returning or exchanging items. Sometimes things do not fit and you need to return them.
You can say, I want to return this item.
Example 1, I want to exchange this for a bigger size.
Example 2, can I return this if it does not fit?
Dialogue. Emily, this jacket is too small.
Would you like to return it or exchange it?
I want to exchange it for a larger size.
No problem. Let me check the size for you.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Now, let us review the lessons quickly.
Lesson 1 was asking for price.
Lesson 2 was asking for size.
Lesson 3 was asking for discounts.
Lesson 4 was paying at the counter.
And Lesson 5 was returning or exchanging items.
Now here is your quick challenge.
Write one sentence using how much is this?
And write one sentence about size or discounts.
Post your answers in the comments.
You did a great job learning Black Friday English today.
Keep practicing and your English will get better every day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Miss English channel.
And answer this question in the comments. What do you want to buy on Black Friday?
We will see you in the next lesson.